Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into University of Kentucky student account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your University of Kentucky student account, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome over here, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address uky.edu and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Kentucky. So let's wait for it. And when you land on the homepage of University of Kentucky's website, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of items available for us. Click on the My UK icon available for us over here where it says login to My UK portal. And you land over here. Now, in order to log into your student account, click on the login button available for us over here. From over here, guys, enter your email address of your University of Kentucky's account, which the university have provided you with, and after that enter your password over here, which may it be. And after entering your email address and your password, click on the login button or the sign in button available for us over here, and then you'll be logged into your University of Kentucky student account. And there, guys, this is how to log into your University of Kentucky student account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.